What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to download songs here on Spotify itself. Now I'm going to show you how to download so you can play them in offline mode. This is so interesting. You save a lot of data in here, but it consumes space because these songs, they need to be locally stored here within your iPhone device. But do not worry because this is something manageable. Now the thing is, first things first, you need to create a playlist. So you need to tap on create, okay? Create a playlist and then give it a name. Let's say playlist YouTube, okay? Create. And now you want to add songs. Let me add, for example, this 3 suggested songs in here, 4 suggested songs. Now, the next thing we need to do, we already have the playlist. It's very easy. We just need to tap on download in here, which is this little arrow showing down. Tap on download, you're good to go. Songs have been downloaded into my local phone. As you can see, we do have the green arrow down here, and now I'm good to go. Once I'm done downloading, there we go, all downloaded. I now can simply turn on flight mode, disable Wi-Fi and all stuff like that, internet connection, and now I can play and the song will play here seamlessly without any issue. This is how easy you can actually download songs and play them or stream them in offline mode. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.